Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
I didn't know.
So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hang it on a shelf in good health.
There he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Brian Hillard. We got him. We found him.
I saw it, dude.
Alright, so...
Don't do drugs, kids. I don't support drugs on this channel, nor do I smoke.
Alright. We're at the Plug's house.
Oh, dude.
Brandon's here. I don't know what's gonna happen today. We're gonna go ride for a little while. Alright, we're at the first spot. Gotta do a little climbing action. Won't be too long till we get kicked out. That was like 10 back pedals.
There's a big ass train coming.
And there's a cop.
You got time to go.
Get the train first! Get the train! Oh, he's coming! He's coming, dude! Oh shit, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here.
With my next check though, my next check's about to be fat. So if I...
Oh, he caught us. He caught us, baby.
Well, that was sketchy. My chain popped off.
Alright, that was sketchy. My chain popped off. I'm with Christian. And any clips? The clips that you should have seen before this were filmed yesterday. I don't know what happened. I didn't feel like filming yesterday. So we're gonna finish out the rest of the day. It's about 11 o'clock. And yeah, we're gonna see where the day goes. Alright, while we wait for Brian to get here, we're gonna go to a big field and rip the dirt bike for a little while. Okay, so Christian, well, he stalled it, but he just rode my dirt bike for the first time. He didn't do too bad, but it's a little wet. It's really hard to ride right now. I'm gonna try to rip around for a few minutes.
Alright, so right now, he left me with his camera. I have no idea where he went. He's nowhere in this field. I'm just walking around right now.
shout out to him for being the nicest cop ever.
Who is he?
Alright, that was lit. Cops got called because we were riding past schools and shit on the dirt bikes. But he was chill as shit, so whatever. Alright, we have this drift trike thing I think we're going to try to fix up. Soup it up a little bit. Probably go rip that for a little while. Well, why not?
So this is what we came out with the drift trike. We put a Duo tire on it because it was looking a little rough, the other tire. We got the Jake Seeley 4-piece bars. We got a Mission stem with some fresh holder grips. They're looking fresh. I just rode my bike for the first time today to Christian's house, and apparently he has like over 100 donuts. So we are going to find out. I need to stop looking over there. I need to stop looking here. Stop looking there and start looking there. Stop looking there. Start looking there. Yeah. You won't believe what this kid just pulled out. He has a bag of donuts. That is disgusting. Dude. I'm gonna eat some of these.
I am too.
Fire ass donuts. Fire ass donuts. You wish you could get me, but you can't. You can't get me. You wish you could, but you can't. This is what's happening. This is what our nights turn into. Getting lit out here. Having a fire with the neighbors. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. We get in the cops called. We get in the fire department called. It's lit. Alright. It's late. My phone's about to die. Tonight was way too lit of a night. And I don't know when... I don't think this vlog is going to be very interesting. But I'm going to edit it, see how it is, and look forward to the next one. It'll be a better one, I promise. So, like always, stay up. Go have a fire with your friends. Get lit.
I'm so far out of sight. Sounds about right. Yo, I'm so far out of sight.